Welcome to Lesson Plant Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a dip inspired by guacamole that has no avocado in it. It's perfect for meal prep and it won't go brown in the refrigerator over the course of a week. Our first secret ingredient is a can of chickpeas. This will give it a yellowish brown color like near the pit. And to that we're going to add 340 grams of peas and 2 cloves of diced garlic. You'll season this as you like, salt, pepper, maybe cilantro if you like the taste of soap. And to maintain the essence of guacamole, we're going to add a tablespoon of avocado oil before blending it all together in a food processor. Be sure to scrape the sides so that it is well combined. The garnishes for our guacamole include diced tomatoes, red onions, and jalapenos. Be sure to wear gloves when you dice the jalapenos, otherwise you may get an unpleasant surprise when you take out things like your contacts. Use a spatula to scrape it into a bowl and then add your garnishes as well. Blend thoroughly to combine, and you can split this into about 5 individual servings or drop it all into a communal party dish. Compared to traditional guacamole, you can have way more than 2 tablespoons, get at least 10 grams of protein, a lot of fiber, low fat, healthy carbs, and it's under 200 calories. Whether you enjoy this as a dip or as avocado toast that won't replace your mortgage, I think there's something for everyone to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, consider subscribing, and share it with your friends and family. More recipes on lessonplantkitchen.com and here on YouTube.